This was literally where I found out I had COVID, and now I no longer have COVID. Hi everyone, good morning. I woke up today and it just felt like one of those days where like I couldn't get up and I could barely open my eyes. So I thought, what better way than to put on some makeup and feel more prepared for today. Every time I'm feeling tired or just not like myself, I like to put on a little bit of makeup, and I want to share with you guys my 5-minute makeup routine with Merit. You've seen it like a million times. However, Merit was kind enough to send me some new products and I want to try them out. The reason why I love Merit, number one, they are clean beauty and everything is completely simple. It's just the basic necessities that you need. If you're someone like me who doesn't really like to wear makeup but also at the same time does, it's like this weird back and forth relationship, try out Merit Beauty. I will have my link in the description box down below if you want to purchase any of the products. There are some tried and true. I did get some refills on a couple of the products that I do love. I also got some new products that I just want to share and I want to try with you guys. So let's get started. So the first thing I always start with is their brow, I think this is a tinted brow gel, and this one is in the shade Black Brown. Oh, so it's a volumizing pomade. I just like to brush it through my brows. It does the most natural thing. I used to be someone who always like filled their eyebrows in with like a pomade, and I just realized as I got older I probably got lazier, and honestly I'm okay with that if it means that I could do my makeup in like 5 minutes. And I think if you are someone like me who is always busy, you can literally do your makeup in the car, on the way somewhere. I've seen some people do their makeup on the subway. Honestly, my eyebrows don't really need to be filled in to like the absolute max. And moving on, I am going in with, this is the Perfecting Complexion Stick, and this is in the shade Suede. I do have the shade in Sand, which if you don't believe me when I say that I love Merit products, look at this. This is all I have left of this shade, which is in Sand, and this is my refill that I use just a little bit, but you could already tell the difference. This one is Suede and then this one is in Sand. Clearly this one is like very well loved versus this new one, which will be well loved. So today I will be using the shade Suede because it is more of like a deeper tanner color, which, so now that it's summer, I need something that's like a little bit darker, and so I just put them on like problem areas. I don't have like a lot of areas that I want to cover. You can use this as like a complete foundation, which I have done before, but because it's summer and because I'm just a little bit more tan, I find that I don't need to wear as much face makeup, so this is like the perfect product to just like touch up some areas. I go in with their #1 brush, and obviously this is very well loved and a little bit dirty, but I pat because I find that it gets the best, most natural results versus just like swiping it across your face. And so as you can tell, that just like gives me a nice even base for everything. It looks so clean. It like perfectly matches my skin color. Also, if you could hear the trees blowing, my window's open because our AC is broken. It was a whole debacle this weekend. But the next thing I am using is the blush. Obviously my favorite. I am a blush girl lately, and this is in the shade Cheeky. Clearly it is very well loved because there was originally way more product than just this, and I love this product. So easy. Like all of Merit products, you could either pat, you could swipe it into your skin. I'm gonna do a combination of both. I do them on both cheeks, a little bit on my nose, and then a tiny bit on my chin. The reason why I do it on my nose and on my chin is because it gives you this like very natural sunburn kind of look. It looks like a lot on camera, trust me, but this product blends so beautifully, and I just use my ring finger because it's easy. You could always use the brush, but I find that just using your finger gives you the most natural kind of flushed look, which is exactly what I'm going for. I like that it just kind of like blends into your skin. It kind of just looks like you're blushing, which is the goal. And who doesn't love blush? This may be a lot for some people, but this is like the perfect amount for me and I love it. Okay, and then probably my next favorite part is using highlighter, and this is in the shade Cava. I swear I'm gonna die with this product because there is so much and you need the tiniest amount to get like that, which is gorgeous. I'm trying to look like a glazed donut. If you want that same thing, get this product because it does wonders to make you look like you're really glowing. I just curled my eyelashes. Every time I curl my eyelashes, my like eyes water, which is rude. I have to go in with my tried and true. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in waterproof. I know everybody loves to hate on waterproof mascara, but I love it. I will die. I will go to my grave with waterproof mascara because my eyes water all the time, and the only thing that number one holds my Asian eyelashes to a curl is waterproof mascara. But also whenever I sweat or my eyes water, it'll like bunch up and there will be like a black kind of like shadow like on my lower lash line, and I'm just not about that. So waterproof mascara doesn't do this. I also love that this mascara wand is super thin, so it gets into every nook and cranny, and I'm all about long lashes, but I'm Asian, so that doesn't really happen. But that's mascara. If you're Asian, you need to try this, and you need to try the waterproof version. Mascara is done. Full face is done. Moving on to the last and final step, and something I'm so excited to try. This is Merit's tinted lip oil, and I have tried the shade Au Naturel. Love it. Go to. Use it literally like every day. This is in the shade Sangria, and fun fact, if there is a sangria on the menu, I will be drinking it. I cannot resist a sangria, so I think that this is very fitting that this color is named Sangria. That's like my go-to whenever that's on the menu. It's like the perfect summer drink. Anyways, so it's like this deep like berry color. What I love about the tinted lip oils is that they give you they give you just the right amount of like color. Like how pretty is that? Like it's just like the perfect berry color to where it kind of looks like, you know, when you're a kid and you eat a cherry and then you rub it on your lips to get like that like lip stain effect. This is exactly what it is, and it is like without obviously doing the cherry trick. This is the final makeup look. Again, it would literally take me 5 minutes if I was like in a dire rush. I think that this is like the perfect amount of makeup for me, especially in the summer when, you know, you don't want to feel like you're wearing makeup but you still kind of want to be wearing makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to purchase any of my tried and true Merit products, shop the link in the description box down below. I will also list all the products that I used from Merit, basically their entire collection. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!